T3rn recently launched their airdrop program, and this is everything you're going to need to know about earning BRN tokens. Now, the TG is coming very soon, and you're going to be able to BRN is actually pronounced BON, and you're going to be able to redeem 10. Now, TRN is pronounced 10. Okay, now you're going to be able to BON and redeem 10 tokens at the TGE event. Okay, so there's a series of things you're going to do that are going to make you eligible for this airdrop, and this is what we're going to talk about in this video. Hi, my name is VMorgan. Welcome to the channel. This is where I talk about airdrop updates and opportunities for you to earn good money in the crypto space. So do well to subscribe, slide into the channel, and then check out other videos that you might be interested in. T3rn provides superior swapping for users. It allows you to swap tokens across various chains and ecosystems, and it also receives backing from Polychain. Now, the way this testnet works is that there are different ways for you to earn BON. Now, BON is going to be converted for T3rn. So for now, we're just going to earn BON. And the way this works is that for every transaction you make on the testnet, you're going to be rewarded with 1 BON. Okay, so I'm going to go over to now invalidating the airdrop. As you can see over here in the Tokenomics, they've allocated 50% to community and then 40% to ecosystem and 10% to treasury. But inside this 50% that goes to the community, 5% of it is going to be used for the airdrop. As you can see, up to 5% of the total T3rn token supply will be made available to the community as part of the T3rn airdrop. Okay, so this is what we are interested in currently. Now there are different ways for you to earn BON. You can use number one through the community incentives. There's a galaxy tax over here that you can participate in, carry out all of them tax, and then you can earn points through this. There is also the protocol engagement, for which I'm going to talk about. You're going to engage in testnet, and then there are other parts that includes all of them developers related activities. Okay, you can actually go over it by yourself. The link to this article is going to be in the video description. So let's dive right in. Right in the video description, you're going to find the link for the bridge. For you to come over to this bridge, you're going to be on this page, and then you're going to confirm. Now you're going to connect your wallet. I'm going to choose MetaMask. Now, if you do not have MetaMask, it's a good time for you to grab MetaMask. Like right in the video description, you're going to find the link for you to add MetaMask to your Chrome or your browser extension, or download this to your mobile phone, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, so you're going to connect your wallet and then select a network. Now, before you do that, you're going to also need test tokens. So if you're new over here and you've not been engaging in testnets, you're going to need test tokens. Over here you have Ethereum Sepolia. You come over to this link, it's going to be the video description, and then connect your login to Alchemy, and then you can now make sure you have at least 0.001 ETH in your wallet for you to claim faucet across all of these networks. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to provide your wallet address here, check they are not a robot, and then you're going to get faucet. Now let's bridge, because it's basically called swap over here, but then we're literally bridging from one network. Say for example, we are bridging from Arbitrum Sepolia, Ethereum over here. Okay, and then you're going to select another network, say Base. Okay, and that's what we're going to be bridging to. So once you've selected this, you're going to connect to Arbitrum Sepolia. This is going to trigger a network switch. I'm going to switch network over here, and I can put 0.001. Okay, now 0.01. I think the minimum amount is 0.01. You can check this over here. As you can see, the minimum for your bridge is 0.01. So once you have that, you can confirm transaction. Now you have the ability to send funds to another wallet, which we're going to try later, but for now let's close that and then let's confirm transaction. Confirm. All right, as you can see, this order is processing. You can submit a new order, submit several orders. Now I'm going to do this again, and I'm going to show you what happens. I'm going to do 0.01. okay, and if you drop down these transaction details, you're going to see this is the amount of BRN token, which is BRN rebates. Okay, it's a payback, and this is what you are going to be accumulating over the course of this testnet. Okay, because this is actually what is going to be transferred into the T3rn token. Okay, so I'm just going to do this confirm transaction for confirming sake. Okay, so the more transactions you carry out on the testnet, the more BRN you accumulate. Every day, go over to this Ethereum, this Sepolia faucet, claim more faucet, come over to the bridge more tokens, and you'll be good to go. Okay. So let's dive right into looking at other parts. You can come over to transactions and see the progress of your transactions. Sometimes this goes down and then it gets to be in a pending state. Okay. Other times it goes over here. You have stats where you can see the state of the network, how many transactions and volume has been carried out over the past hours and since the inception. And then you have also your explorer where you can see transactions, and then the last part is the rewards part. Now as you can see, I made a swap and I've earned 1 BRN token. The more swap you make, the more BRN tokens you're going to get. Now I think it has a max or whatsoever, because that's a bar that loads that progresses based off your BRN end. Okay, I think that's 20,000 or so, but then just keep it up, keep swapping and earn more BRN. And as I've said before, make sure you come over to the Galaxy tags and then carry out all of this quest, and then you claim the points over here. Okay, and then an oath. Okay. And there's another part which is already ended already, but then I think this is fine. This is going to end in December, so I don't know when this airdrop is going to be live. Okay. So you can also come over to their YouTube channel. They have a ton of articles over here talking about, they have a ton of videos over here talking about T3rn, if you want to learn about T3rn and all of that stuff. So do well to dive right here and learn a lot of stuff. And it's very important, subscribe to VMorgan. This is the end of the video. If you think you like it, please do well to give me a like, share this video to somebody that it might help, and win. Okay, win. Bye for now.